The one thing I regret not tell you that stayed inside me longer than it should have, a feeling that waited for the right moment, but the right moment never come, and now it lives inside regret. The one thing I regret not telling you, it wasn't complicated, it wasn't something impossible to say. It was simple, so simple that I thought there would always be time to say it later, but later sometimes never arrives. And now I understand how dangerous that word can be. The one thing I regret not telling you was how much you meant to me. Not in small ways, not in passing moments, but in a deep, quiet way that grows stronger without making noise. You became important to my heart before I even realized it, and when I did realize, I stayed silent. Maybe I was afraid of changing things, afraid of saying too much, afraid of losing what we already had. So I said nothing, and that silence became my mistake. The one thing I regret not telling you was that you were different, not like others, not something temporary, not someone I could easily forget. There was something about you, something real, something rare, something that made everything feel a little more meaningful, and I never said it. I kept it inside, like it would wait forever, but feelings, they don't wait moments, they don't pause any time. It keeps moving whether we are ready or not. The one thing I regret not telling you was that I carried more than I showed, more than I admitted, more than I allowed myself to express, because I thought you would just know. But people don't always know what we don't say. They feel what we show. And I don't didn't show enough. I didn't say enough. I didn't do enough to make you understand what was inside my heart, and now that truth feels heavier than anything else. The one thing I regret not tell you was that I didn't want to lose you. Not then, not ever. But I acted like I had time, like things would always stay the same, like you would always be there. And that was my mistake, because nothing stays forever unless we hold into it with intention, and it didn't, not in the way I should have. Now I think about it late at night, in quiet moments, in the spaces where my thoughts become too loud to ignore. I reply everything, the conversations, the silence, the moments where I could have spoken but chose not to. And every time I come back to the same truth, I should have told you. I should have been honest. I should have let you see what I felt.